Okay, hi. Please forgive me and thank you for your patience for this video being 2 days late now. This is like a little announcement video of what I'm going to be posting. I'm going to be posting a video from last semester about the elements of drama because it's very thorough and there's nothing that's too dependent on the former book or different texts, unlike the poetry stuff. So I'll be posting that. So watch that to get a clear understanding of all the elements, particularly blocking, stage, setting. The other elements of drama, like plot, character, and theme, you've gone over plot and characterization in the fiction unit already. You all have, based on your essays, a pretty strong grasp of that. Theme you understand from that as well as the poetry unit. Diction is, like we talked about, the word choice. So in drama, diction is the word choice the writer uses to create the dialogue between the characters, but it also carries tone. But in theater and in drama, especially if it's being performed, we have the added benefit of the tone of voice, carrying the tone of the writing. And so drama and theater is interesting because it's where a lot of these elements on the page meet the spoken or acted elements. They come together in drama and theater in an interesting way. Spectacle and irony. Like I said, the video will go over the different kinds of irony. I believe spectacle is the word that your book uses, so make sure you read the sections in your textbook on drama. And then setting. The last thing I want to say, which is already in the video, is that setting is really interesting in theater because the setting includes not just where the play is set in time, in emotional space, in physical, geographical setting, but the stage set is part of that setting. So the way that the the way that the writer of the play, the playwright, dictates that the set should convey the setting is a whole other layer. So what we have with theater is where literature really meets the physical world. I think that's a good way of thinking about theater. And so when you think about these elements and when you write about the play, think about how what is two-dimensional on the page gets to be translated into the three-dimensional in theater through a script. Scripts can be read, but they are meant to be read and watched and experienced through acting. And so keep that in mind as you are reading as well. I think that's all I want to say here. I'm going to post a separate video reviewing essay structure and going over. I'm almost done with the essays. I've got about 8 more. But I have enough feedback to create enough of the same mistakes are being made where I'm going to create a whole video on how to fix those particular mistakes or weaknesses that I see coming up again and again in essays. So look for that and look for this old video on drama in which I have darker hair except for 2 gray streaks on my sides. And continue to ask me if you have any questions. Although I'm behind, I've tried to stay on top of email. So I'm behind on Blackboard, but I've tried to respond to emails as soon as I get them. So if you have questions, I will be easily accessible by email, and I will continue to be reaching out to those of you who do not yet have feedback. So you will get it very soon, today. All right. Thank you for your patience. I really appreciate it.